I'm Rhythm. Today we are going on a hill track. This is most probably the Marunji Hill trail. This is all the way to the top. We will take the video and you can see how far it goes. This is just the start and we are starting from this point. So we are 3 people today. Me, Rhythm, Piyush and then Krishna. He is our guide, cameraman, everything. So let's see how this goes and we'll see how far we can go on this one. तो ये रास्ता इधर से था, हम लोग वो रास्ते से चल गए. Yesterday we went from that road, right? You don't fall, otherwise all 3 of us will fall. If one of us will front person falls, then we will fall. इसके पीछे नहीं जाना है. ये पक्का नहीं है. ये आदमी पक्का नहीं है. Not a single percentage. Don't take chance. Don't take risk. Hi guys. We are a bit tired. It's little bit of steep one, and we'll see. We will get more challenges. So you guys can see there. That's the one. We have a flag there. That is where we are planning to go. This is the view. This is our office, KPID. This is the whole surrounding view, and now guys are taking rest for some time. You can see here we are a bit tired. Let's see if we are able to reach to the top or not. We are just at the first point, so let's see. We'll continue now.
Excited.
That time heat was not there. I told you heat is there. You will not feel the heat, but it will suck energy out of you.
Yeah.
That's how this is there. That's why I told you don't go by 2. If you come by 2 minutes, you will be sleeping here right now. Guys, we are going up the hill now. This is the path on the way. Krishna is already tired. We haven't reached even 2 or 3 kilometers. And let's see if we can complete the whole track today, or we will come back as part 2 second episode with the remaining of our trip. But you can still see the view here, guys. Still a good view. We'll probably have a better view when the sun is getting down, or the sunset view. So let's keep going for now. From here we are almost at the top. It is another, I think, a kilometer or so. It will be 15 more minutes for us to climb it up, I guess, maybe a bit more. It's very nice road. You can see here it's a steep one, so anything happens you are bound to go down and directly go to the heaven. So make sure that if you guys come here you have enough necessities that you need, medicine, water, anything if you need. Don't come during summertime, it's not advisable.
Show me this.
So this is something here. Our guide, the owner of Telgodi Yatra, is showing something. He wants some kind of fruits. So I don't know what will happen to him. If something happens to him, we can't carry him. So we'll see. We'll keep him here unless we get some medical help. That's it from me, guys. We'll see you at the top. Thank you. bit of down the hill and then again up the hill. So you guys can see it's a nice track to come. Monsoon would be the best time. Monsoon would be the best time to come here, but if it's too much muddy, then it's a difficult track. So be sure that you don't come on when it is too much muddy. It's a good track, and our channel owner wants to do cycling here. I don't think so he would be coming alive if he starts doing that here. So let's hope he doesn't do that in future. Now we are going up the hill. Probably we'll reach now. We feel so. Not sure. Let's see. It has become a bit of difficult track now. Make sure you take support, guys. It's okay to take support and go rather than fall and die. Huh? Krishna doesn't want to take support. He is okay to risk his life. I am not. I wanna be alive, so I'll take support.
Don't bounce back.
some flag as well on the top. It is a good view from here. It's a bit scary. We are on the top. This much there is a good space to move around, but the road was very narrow. So try to keep your focus only on the road. Don't look left or right. Otherwise, you might feel scared. I was feeling scared. Looking left and right. What if I fell down? And there is one road at the back that goes down on the other side of the hill. We plan to actually climb from that side and then come till here. But we started from another point, which was, I think, a good decision because getting down from this point it looks a little bit scary. So I think we will go back on the same road that we came through. So next time we'll climb from that side and we'll probably see if we are okay to get down from there, or we'll just continue getting down from our regular place that we came from. So that's it from my side. Now our cameraman Krishna will say a couple of words. Krishna, over to you. Please come and share your views.
హాయ్ గాయ్స్, ఫైనల్గా సేఫ్గా రీచ్ అయ్యామండి. ఇక్కడ నుండి సిటీ చూస్తుంటే చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు కదా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సిటీ ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుందో, అండ్ చాలా బాగుందండి. చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది. మంచిగా సేఫ్గా రీచ్ అయ్యాం. బట్ వచ్చే దారి ఎందుకు కొంచెం బాగాలేదు, చాలా రిస్కీగా ఉందన్నమాట. కాలు పెడితే కాలు స్లిప్ అవుతున్నవి. మీరు వచ్చేటప్పుడు కొంచెం సేఫ్గా రండి. అలాగే మీరు వచ్చేటప్పుడు వాటర్ కూడా తీసుకురండి, ఎందుకంటే మనం ఆల్మోస్ట్ 12 to 15 kilometers మనం ట్రెక్కింగ్ చేయవలసి వస్తుంది అనమాట. పక్క మీకు దాహం వేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ వాటర్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఏం లేవు. సో మనం మేము సెల్ఫ్గా అన్నీ తీసుకోవాలి.
Hello guys, we have reached to our target. We have reached to the flag, and we have worked hard so much, and we are enjoying the scenes right now, the natural beauty here. We will stay for here for some time, and we'll click some pictures, and we will return back to our home.